Hello students, let's look at the direct form 2. In the last lecture we started with the simple example that find out the direct form 1 and direct form 2 for the given difference equation. So this is what the difference equation which we solved in the last lecture. So for this, to get the terms like the transfer function for this digital filter system, then what we have done, we have obtained the z transform for this equation. So it is y of z and like this. So simplify it like y of z by x of z, that is nothing but h of z. So we got this equation. So from this equation we have obtained the two more equations. One equation that is for the all zero system, that is what we have seen here, means this numerator is nothing but the all zero system, so h1 of z, so which can be reflected by this particular factor, that is for the direct form 1. So here the equation which we got for w of n is x of n plus 1 by 2 x of n minus 1, and for y of n it is y of n is equal to 1 by w of n plus 3 by 4 y of n minus 1 minus 1 by 8 y of n minus 2. That is equation number 2. So this is the equation responsible for getting this left side part, means this part, that is all zero system, that is equation number 1, and this equation number 2 is responsible for getting this all pole system. So we have decided this one based on this particular factors, that is x, h1 of z, w, h2 of z and y. But let's consider this h1 right now for direct form 1, it is all 0, h2 is nothing but for all poles. When we interchange these two, so h1 let's say it is for all pole and this is for all 0. This is regarding the direct form 2. When we interchange this, let's say it is for df2, direct form 2, for the direct form 2, this is what the structure, that is all pole will be at the start and all 0 will be later on. So in order to do it, only we need to write this part, means all pole at the start and all 0 afterwards. So after to this, then only the problem will be solved for the df2. But let's proceed it to analyze in terms of the equations. Means when we say that this particular thing is done, overlapping, x will be the input, then w is the intermediate input, y is the final output. So here the thing which are with us, that is nothing but the h1 right now it is all pole. So when we say that df1 is replaced by the df2, it means this second part is overlapped on the first part, means the x will behave as a w and w will behave as a y. So in the same manner this part will be overlapped on this part. So we will see it how exactly it will appear. So w of n equation can be given as, since w is replaced with y, so this equation number 1 can be written as a y of n is equal to w of n plus 1 by 2, x is nothing but w, so w of n minus 1. So this is how the equation will be replaced, means equation 1 right now this is the equation for all pole system for direct form 2. Now in the same manner, when we want to write down, let's say the simplified equation for the second case, this is what our second equation, this is the equation number 2. So where y of n is equal to w of n plus 3 by 4 y of n minus 1 minus 1 by 8 y of n minus 2. So for this equation, this first part will be overlapped on the second part. It means this w will be replaced by x and this y will be replaced by w. So just check the variation in the equation. Y will be replaced by w, so w of n is equal to w by x, so x of n plus 3 by 4, that is y by w. So w of n minus 1 minus 1 by 8 w of n minus 2. So this is what the equation which we will get, that is second equation for the direct form 2. Now let's formulate the diagram from these two equations. So the first equation, y of n w of n, it means it is giving the second part. So in the second part, this is let's say the intermediate point, and this is y of n, this is what x of n, y of n is equal to w of n. So this w of n will be directly connected with scale 1. Next is 1 by 2 w of n minus 1, it means z inverse will be here, it has to be here only. Next 1 by 2, scale it here and add it to the factors earlier one. So this is how the equation 1 will be solved at this particular part. So this is the reflection of equation number 1. Similarly, by taking it in the consideration, now this is all zero system. Now this is where the all pole system comes in the picture. So for the all pole, w of n will be the output, x of n will be the input. So it will be as it is. Let me just write it here. So it is 3 by 4 w of n minus 1. Now since it is w of n minus 1, so that's why z inverse will be added to the w of n. It is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 will come here. It has to be summed up with the earlier value. So that's why the adder will be at the outer part. Sorry, at the input part, that is x of n. Next, we solve this one, minus 1 by 8. So it is here w of n minus 2. That's why second inverse block has to be added. So it will be minus 1 by 8. This is how this second block will be added. Now this is where we can say this is the reflection of the second, that is all pole. So this is all pole, this is all zero, and this combinedly is called as a direct form 2. So we just need to add this point over here. So this is how direct form 2 realization will be completed. Now this can be easily understood with the help of whatever the diagram we prepared for earlier case. So see here, this is where we started our discussion. Let me just fold it so that you will be able to understand it. Okay, now the diagrams, this diagram which we have seen in the earlier case direct form 1, and the diagram which is at the left side, that is for the direct form 2. So just check here, the 3 by 4 minus 1 by 8, this entire block, this particular block, that is been at the start, so all pole, and all zero will be at the latter stage. So z inverse which was at the corner in the earlier case, but right now it is at the center. So this two can be combined in case of the direct form 2. So this is how the direct form 1 and direct form 2 can be written for the given difference equation. Just with the help of the simplified formats it can be done. So here the point to be understood is 1 by 2, which is the coefficient at the all zero, so that is as it is, but at the all pole we just need to revert the signs, so which is done over here, and the same things which we have done for direct form 1, that has to be written in a reverse manner, so that we will get to know what is direct form 2. So thank you everyone, thank you very much.